Welcome to our video on data analytics as a career. In this video, we will be discussing the exciting field of data analytics and what it takes to succeed as a data analytics professional. We will cover topics such as the skills and knowledge required to study data analytics, the different types of roles and industries in which data analytics professionals can work, and the average salary for data analytics professionals. We'll also explore the opportunities for growth and development in this field and how to stay updated with the latest technologies and techniques. Whether you're a student or a professional looking to make a career change, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the world of data analytics. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of data analytics together. Data analytics is a rapidly growing field that involves using a variety of techniques and tools to extract insights and knowledge from data. It is an interdisciplinary field that combines elements of statistics, computer science, and business. To study data analytics, it is important to first develop a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics, including concepts such as probability, statistics, and linear algebra. Additionally, understanding programming languages such as Python and R is crucial for working with data and using various tools and libraries for data analysis. There are many institutions that offer data analytics courses, including universities, colleges, and online learning platforms. Some popular options for online learning include Coursera, edX, and Udemy. After completing a data analytics course, there are many opportunities for career advancement, including roles such as data analyst, data scientist, business intelligence analyst, and more. These roles are in high demand across a wide range of industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, and technology. It is important to note that the field of data analytics is continuously evolving, and it's important to continuously learn and stay updated with the latest technologies and techniques in the field. The role of a data analytics professional is to extract insights and knowledge from data to inform business decisions and strategy. This involves using a variety of techniques and tools to collect, clean, and analyze data, as well as communicating the results of the analysis to stakeholders. Some specific responsibilities of a data analytics professional may include collecting and cleaning large sets of data from various sources, using statistical models and machine learning algorithms to analyze data, creating visualizations and dashboards to communicate results to stakeholders, identifying patterns and trends in data to inform business decisions, collaborating with other team members, such as data engineers and data scientists, to create and implement data-driven solutions. Continuously monitoring and analyzing data to identify opportunities for improvement and optimization. Data analytics professionals may work in a variety of industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, and technology. They may also work in a variety of roles, including data analyst, data scientist, business intelligence analyst, and more. In summary, data analytics professionals play a crucial role in extracting insights and knowledge from data to inform business decisions and strategy. They use a variety of techniques and tools to collect, clean, and analyze data, and communicate the results to stakeholders. They may work in a variety of industries and roles. The salary of a data analytics professional can vary depending on a number of factors, including the specific role, industry, location, and level of experience. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data analyst in the United States is around $71,000 per year. This can vary depending on the specific role, with data scientists earning an average of $113,000 per year and business intelligence analysts earning an average of $93,000 per year. Salaries can also vary depending on the industry. Data analytics professionals working in the technology industry tend to earn higher salaries compared to those working in other industries. Additionally, professionals working in major metropolitan areas such as San Francisco, New York City, and Seattle tend to earn higher salaries compared to those in other areas. It is also important to note that experience level also plays an important role in determining the salary of a data analytics professional. Entry-level data analysts typically earn less than those with several years of experience. It's also worth mentioning that salary is not the only important thing to consider when evaluating a career in data analytics. Other factors such as job satisfaction, the opportunity to work on interesting projects, and the chance to learn and grow professionally can also be very valuable. In summary, the salary of a data analytics professional can vary depending on the specific role, industry, location, and level of experience. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data analyst in the United States is around $71,000 per year, with data scientists earning an average of $113,000 per year and business intelligence analysts earning an average of $93,000 per year. The actual salary may vary depending on the specific location, company, and seniority level. In conclusion, data analytics is a rapidly growing field that provides many opportunities for career advancement. It's a field that requires a combination of mathematical, statistical, and technical skills and offers a wide range of roles and industries to work in. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of what a career in data analytics looks like and the skills and knowledge required to succeed in this field. If you're interested in pursuing a career in data analytics, we encourage you to continue your education and gain practical experience by working on personal projects or interning with a company in the field. Remember that the field of data analytics is continuously evolving, so it's important to stay updated with the latest technologies and techniques. And always remember to keep learning and growing, as this is the key to success in any field. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the exciting world of data analytics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and stay tuned for future content.